My name is Yasir Khan. I'm a computer programmer, and right now I'm working as a computer programmer in UAE. About a year ago, actually, I was looking for a good surgeon or hair transplant surgeon in Pakistan. I was searching online, and then I came across this gentleman, Dr. Rana Irfan, and having seen all his reviews and all the testimonials, I finally decided to actually go for my surgery with the doctor. And Alhamdulillah, I got my surgery back in 2019, about 5 months ago, 23rd of July. I would like to admit here that Dr. Rana Irfan is by far, as per my perception, is the most honest and sort of professional in his field. The good thing about him is he will tell you exactly what you need, and I mean, there is nothing about money or something like that. He's a very honest person, very good, very thorough professional. And there is something else about his clinic is not only himself but his staff, from doctor to technicians, all of them, they are very knowledgeable, very honest. And I would like to admit here once again that while I was being operated here in the same room, every single question, every single query that crossed my mind was actually very honestly answered by even his technicians. The girls, mostly all of them, they are girls, and not only they are knowledgeable, but they are very professional and very honest. You know, you will see lots of people doing their business. Mostly they do their business on the basis of marketing, something like that. But here, what impressed me is actually the doctor himself and his work and his staff. They are themselves the guarantee of the work. Something that really impressed me. I'm more than happy. Alhamdulillah, I'm pretty much satisfied with my result. This is my actually 5 months result, and about 30 to 40% is yet to come, inshallah. And I wish all of them very best, and they will definitely do very best in the future, because the credentials that they have set up and the standards that they have set up are very high, and their honesty will definitely pay off again and again. Thank you very much.